Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and here's my BoxyCharm unboxing with Onyx, who is getting sleepy. So I was hoping he'd be more interested, but he's getting a little sleepy. But I'm going to open this anyway. This is the September box, and this is BoxyCharm BTS. So here's all the stuff. I think it's back to school, you know, because it's September, BTS. So, here I'm going to go like this so it's more of a secret. Oh, I was going to see, here's some brow gel by St. Lux. I don't actually use brow gel. My brows are kind of sparse, so I'm going to pass this on to a friend. See if Onyx likes it. Onyx is very sleepy now. I don't think he's going to be very active for this video. The next thing is Dr. Brandt eye cream. Cool. Okay, I like Dr. Brandt, but I don't think they're cruelty-free. So I do think their products are very good, but I don't think they're cruelty-free. So I normally don't buy from Dr. Brandt. That's a pretty decent size eye cream. So there's that, and then the next thing in here is a little pouch. Onyx is so sacked out. He's really pretty tired. He doesn't even care about the crinkly sounds, which usually he likes. But interestingly enough, he is super tired. He went on a walk today to the cemetery with his bro, Max. You want to smell that? He is so, look at that. Hi, super tired? He's super tired. Let's see what's in here. I bet it's brushes. It is brushes. Elena Vadro EV. Looks like a face brush and 2 eye brushes. I just dropped one. But the other one was like a little liner brush. So I'll use those. That's cool. What's the next thing in here? Reeler Gold Digger lipstick. Cool. I've not had a lipstick by them. What do you think, Onyx? He doesn't care. He is so darn sleepy. Look at that. Sleepy, sleepy face. I'm really surprised. Well, we did some stuff in the kitchen, and he helped me out. That's really pretty package. It's like a rose gold, like a square package. Let's see what the color is. Look at him. He's just not even, I can't get this package open. Here, let's put you here so you can look at the kitty. Holy crap, that was hard. Ooh, this is really pretty. It looks a little darker in the... Onyx decided to do a little cleaning, but we were looking at this lipstick, and on camera it's a little bit like more orangier. It's actually kind of mauve. It looks orangier here for some reason, but it's sort of a mauve. Must be the light. This is beautiful, and the package is beautiful, but it was hard to get open, and I just tried closing and opening again. It was still kind of hard, so that was disappointing. There's one last thing in here, and that is Beauty in a Blink Longwear Effortless Glow Getter Face Palette. Looks like you get these bronze, blush, and highlights. Let me open this. So he's just cleaning and cleaning. He no longer cares. I don't think he cared like this whole time because he is sleepy and doing his own thing. But here is, oh, he was looking at himself in the mirror there. Anyway, here is, looks like blush. We've got like a bronzer and then a bunch of highlighters. So it looks really pretty. So I will use that and see what I think. Anyway, that was everything in my BoxyCharm for September. I'll leave you with Onyx just cleaning away. He doesn't care about anything in this month's box. But I think it looks alright. I'm going to try these things out and see how I like them. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.